We're gonna be rating filters part 1. What the Okay, this is the first one. Let me see if I can break it. I don't think you can break it, but what is this? Guys, don't use second one. This is just creepy. Third one. This is just weird. Face it. Nah, don't use this. This is just funny, bro. I mean your walls. This is just girlyish, bro. What is? Oh heck no, I'm not Hello Kitty. The walking duck one I actually kind of like. Last one. This is just Mexican but funny also. That's 1 minute. See you guys.